আমাকে দিচ্ছ কেন?
अच्छा समय था पैसा जितना ही बीता मेरा मुंबई में आगे और भी अच्छा बीतेगा। कभी तुम मुंबई वापस आएगा या मैं गुड़गांव आऊंगा, मुलाकात तो अपनी होगी। बहुत अच्छा था, लेकिन मैंने सोचा यार मुंबई का तू क्या मिस कर रहा होगा अपनी बर्थडे के दिन? बहुत ज्यादा मिस कर रहा होगा।
शॉर्ट्स का ग्लासेस आई डोंट
That doesn't matter. जब तक नींबू और नमक है तब तक nothing else is best.
बढ़िया सनसेट भी है, एंजॉय कर ले, बर्थडे दे रहा हूँ। बट इट वॉज अ वंडरफुल टाइम, जो भी मैंने तेरे साथ बिताया इट वॉज अमेजिंग। बहुत अच्छी अच्छी बातें हुई हम लोग की, कुछ ऐसी चीजें रही कि बहुत ज्यादा तो नहीं उठ बैठ पाए, आगे जरूर बैठेंगे, तुझे मिस जरूर करूंगा। कुछ अच्छे दोस्त थे तुम लोग मेरे, मुंबई में मिस कर रहा हूँ उनको, लेकिन आगे मिलते हैं यार। एंजॉय करो अपना बर्थडे और मेरी तरफ से भी 2-3 पैक पी लो। चलो enjoy your birthday once again, a very happy birthday to you. Enjoy.
हैप्पी बर्थडे सिद्धि। पहले तू कितना था?
आई शाबाश। মামনি এটা দেখছো?
মামুনি চারবার দেখেছে, মানে এক কাজ করে দেখছে।
মামিরই আইডিয়া এগুলো, মানে ভাবছো কেন? না করো বাবু।
हाँ बगल में रहता था।
दत्ता दत्ता
हैप्पी बर्थडे भैया, वेलकम टू भाई। नाउ अब ऑफिशियल तुमको हम लोग दत्ता बोल सकते हैं। वेलकम टू द हैप्पी साइड ऑफ लाइफ वेयर वी कैन बी कंफर्टेबल।
बंद करे
बहुत ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल नहीं बनेगा, वरना लोग तेरे को डिलीवर करने लगेंगे।
দাদার কি দাদারে তুমি দিচ্ছ কত নেবো?
डू ग्रेट स्टफ एंड
না তো বসে আছে চুপচাপ।
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Happy birthday to us, brother. It's an awesome day. And also it's good. I know we both love him. Let's
না
let me do all the
ধরো
wishing
নিজে সামলাও।
and you buy all the gifts for me. Happy birthday. I love you.
সরে গেছে।
Hey, hi Siddhi, wishing you a very happy birthday and lot many more to come. I know it's new beginning and naughty at 40 is the message which I want to give, and special efforts taken by my wife.
চকলেট
জানি না
Wonderful.
এই সব পড়ছে বাবু, it's all falling on the ground.
Enjoy Madi in Bangalore style and wish to see you soon. Have a blast. See you soon.
মিনপি
Monkey, come here.
চলে আয়।
Come here, take the chocolate now. Buzz, come, take chocolate. You go to the section.
Reject.
Enjoy, enjoy. अविनाश, scissors से try कर. He is also next passer.
Hey, said many happy returns of the day. God bless you.
Arpit.
Happy birthday to you. Arzu. Happy birthday to Siddhi. Happy birthday to Siddhi. Happy birthday to Siddhi. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Siddhi, wish you a very happy birthday, particularly your 40th birthday. Way to go, keep young, and yes, wish you once again. Enjoy the evening.
Happy birthday, uncle.
Siddhi, I think the day you are born is a very, very important day. The day also denotes a lot of fighting spirit, a lot of survival instinct, and a lot of ability to triumph over all the odds. That I think is seated inside you, Siddhi. And I always find you to be a fighter, to be a survivor, and more or less, and more than that, you're a person who has seen victory, has achieved victory. This 40th birthday, I have nothing to say, just to say that make this count. The next 40 to remember the earlier 40. And the most important thing is that I have always been tough with you because I see a lot of potential in you. And I think this potential takes you or makes you the person who you are as a professional, as a father, as a husband. That's it. So all the very, very best. Have a great year ahead. God bless you. Take care. And wish you again a very, very happy birthday.
Hi Slade, happy birthday, happy 40th birthday. You've become old.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Siddhi uncle, bye bye.
Hi Siddhi, many happy returns of the day. So, it's her 40th birthday. My God, the biggest milestone you could achieve. Biggest milestone we have to go on a date to. Your wife will say we are such a useless brat. So, I think next you come to Bombay or I come to Delhi, then I'll tell her. Have a blast on this 40th. Bye.
Hey Siddhi, wishing you many happy returns of the day. You turned 40 today, and we all know life begins at 40. So many memories of Maika and Dubai that we have shared. I can only wish you the very best in the coming days, my friend. Stay strong, and God bless you. Siddhi, I wonder if you remember this. Paki bowlers may be the best, but we too have a trick or two up our sleeves. Rings a bell? 2 camels, lots of sand, and a Bedouin feast. Let's do that Agassi down the line. Dude, I hope you have a wonderful day, and this took you down memory lane a bit.
Hi Siddhi, wish you a very happy birthday. Sonia asked us to send a video, so here's a message for you. It's lovely to have you as part of the family, and I mean, I just see the way you handle Sonia, you handle Kaju, and just so proud of the way you're managing all of that. And yeah, you're a junior from Maika, so from that relationship also, I think we have a special bond. And any time that you need us, I'm here for you. So just enjoy yourself. I mean, 40, it's not so bad. I just turned 40. So, all the very best in whatever you do. Continue to be yourself. Continue to be the excellent person that you are. And we are very proud and happy to have you as part of the family. Happy birthday.
Wish you many happy returns of the day. God bless you with all whatever you desire and deserve. And from Papa's side, great Tom, very happy birthday to you. God bless you always and have a great, beautiful life. Love you. See you.
Auntie.
Happy birthday, Siddhi uncle.
Happy birthday, Siddhi uncle.
Happy birthday, Siddhi.
Happy birthday.
Siddhi, we will miss you. Definitely, your birthday. Wish you a very happy birthday.
Wish you a very, very, very happy 40th birthday, Mr. Siddhi. Have a blast. Be naughty. After all, it's 40.
Hello. Happy birthday.
Because there are lots to learn, and trust me, I'm following each and everything that you have said to follow to raise my daughter, because you're such an amazing father. I've seen you, and an amazing friend, a very caring, a special person, as always. We really miss you because you, Sonia, Paulu, and always been part of our lives. We miss you, but I'm very happy for you as well because you are kind of enjoying your journey in a very. Be as naughty after 30. You guys are pretty fun. Wish you very, very, very happy birthday. Stay blessed. Achieve whatever you want. Love you, miss you. Happy birthday.
Hi Sid, it's your 40th birthday. I want to wish you a very, very happy birthday from all of us here. Tamla, I, and Shubhu and to join you in wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Sid, about you, well, it's your 40th birthday. This goes to say, how time flies. And I still remember the good old days back in JNU in the 1990s. If you remember, you used to come over to JNU and we used to have lots of fun. In fact, one very pleasant memory that I have about you is that the way you helped me get ready for my wedding day. So I can never forget that. And that's the reason why you are one of my favorite nephews. I really admire the way you are bringing up your child, a doting father, a loving husband, and such a good family man. Wish you all the very best, lots of blessings, and may you continue to rise in life and have success in whatever you want to achieve for yourself. All the very best, and many, many happy returns. Bye.
Hi Siddhida, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
We love you.
Love you.
Hi Siddhida, happy birthday. Many, many happy returns of this day. On this special day, I just want to thank you for all the love, all the affection and all the guidance you have given to me and Sanjay. Especially আপনার যে বিষয়টা আমাকে সবচেয়ে বেশি অনুপ্রাণিত করে, your cool attitude and your smiling face. Like জীবনে যা কিছু হোক না কেন, with your smile and with your cool head, you can do anything and everything. So I wish you all the very best, and you will be rocking in your life. Bye.
Hey, buddy. It's long 40 years that we have been traveling into this world. I'm taking on but the thing is that as being a elder brother, come friend, come mentor, as you say, I love you. Many, many happy returns of the day. God bless you with more prosperity and success. छोटे भाई से मिलने इन दाल मिलूंगे नॉनवेज अपने बाद घूमने भी जाऊंगा अपने बाद थोड़ा सा और केयरलेस ना हो कि थोड़ा केयरिंग हो जाए सामान बचा के क्या है
Long time. Welcome to 40s. I just got to know you are shifting on this side of the world, and I can tell you the life is equally good. And there are good parts. While people think that when you hit 40, you are becoming older, but I will say there are some of it also, which have been blabbling so much till now, and nobody trusted you. You can throw in your age, and people will actually take your grey hair for your experience. And so, the only thing I can say is that forget the age, live young, night is young, swap, and let's say cheers to 40. And when you are with captain, you don't just get one, you get 1 plus 2. So here is your 1 plus 2 offer. Cheers.
Hey, cheers, Siddhi.
Cheers, Siddhi. Hello, bodies. Go.
শুভ জন্মদিন বাচ্চা, অনেক ভালো থাকিস, তোর এবার 40 বছর পা দিচ্ছিস, আমার খুব আনন্দ লাগছে, ভীষণ ভালো লাগছে, ভালো থাকিস, অনেক আশীর্বাদ জানালাম। আর একবার কলকাতায় আসার চেষ্টা কর, বারবার এটাই বলছি, অনেকদিন দেখা হয় না, তোকে খুব মিস করি বাবা, ভালো থাকিস।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jilani. Happy birthday to you. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार दिन ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल जिए। Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
I'm trying for the first time, so थोड़ा अच्छा नहीं होगा, but तब भी वो जिसके आगे जिसके पीछे वो जिसके आगे पीछे जी जी मैं उनकी साली हूँ जीजा जी। पता है ऐसा चाहिए, but still happy birthday जीजू। रिकॉर्ड पहली बार किया है इसलिए इतना अच्छा नहीं हो सकता, बट I just wanted to say that you are one of the best person that happened to us, and we all love you very much. I wish you have very pleasant birthday.
বড় দাদু বলেন বাবুলালের ঠিকানা, ছোট দাদু দিল বিধু শেখরের কনসা, মানে মামু দিল রানা ছেলে লাল লাল সোনা। প্রিয় বাবু বাড়ি আছেন? রসগোল্লা দাদু ও দিদা প্রিয় লাল, পিতুমপুরা দাদু ও দিদা বড় নাতি বাদশা, পেরি মাসি ও চিন্না মাসি জুড়ে দিল ভুট্টু বাদশা ভুট্টু। আদরের ছোট মামা দিল বলো 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 সবে বাবুলাল বড় হবে। দাদু বলে উঠল জগৎ সবাই নাম হবে। মা বলে উঠল বাবুনে বাবুনে।
आशीष मेरा तुम सदा फूलो करो, इस जन्मदिन को हमेशा हम मनाते ही रहे। चांद तारों से भी ऊंचा हो तुम्हारा हौसला, हर कदम पर हो सफलता और कभी ना हार हो। सब बड़ों का आशीर्वाद सदा तुम्हारे साथ हो, है यही आशीष मेरा तुम सदा आगे बढ़ो। सिद्धि जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
Hi Siddhi, many happy returns of the day. Enjoy with my sweet Kaju and Sonia. Enjoy the party and hope you should achieve everything in your life that you think about. Have a great day. Bye bye. बार बार ये दिल गाए तुम थी हजारों साल के दिल हो 50,000. Happy birthday to you.
He's coming from one way.